His achievements include Marketing Achiever Award twice by the Chartered Institute of Marketing, Business Achiever winner, PIM Alumni University of Sri Dawadanapura, Global Leadership Award for Johnson's Lever. He was the country head of Sri Lanka and Maldives. Merit Award twice again for outstanding performance at the United Nations UN Ops. Exemplary Leadership Award by the Association of Business World Education Congress Singapore. You might have to stay there a little longer because I'm also going to tell the audience about your honorary basis in which you serve the government. He holds the following capacities as the Director of the Sri Lanka Export Development Board, Director Industrial Development Board of Ceylon, Sri Lanka Tea Board, Chairman of the Tea Committee, Ministry of Industry and Commerce, Director National Craft Council, Ministry of Traditional Industries, Member of the Sovereign Rating Committee, Central Bank of Sri Lanka, Director Hemas Leisure Group. Ladies and gentlemen, that's just half of what he does. Please welcome Rohan Tatukorala.
Honorable Minister, Michael, Roshan, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your attendance today. Today is very special for two reasons. One is that the Minister of Industry and Commerce, Honorable Minister, is not just a political minister, but he happens to be a graduate of civil engineering. And he's very, very conscious of making sure that industry and commerce in Sri Lanka is into environmental protection. I remember when the global head for sustainability, Eric Hansen, came down about a month back for a particular event in Sri Lanka. He met up with Honorable Minister and he said that, when you have garments which are manufactured to reduce the overall cost of the product, and then through the economies of scale, you reduce the price of the product, that happens to be not actually good for business. And the reason why it's not good for business is because as soon as you reduce the price of a product, the consumption increases. And as soon as consumption increases, you have environmental degradation that takes place. So that is the first time I got to know the ill effects of where economies of scale reduces the price of a product and the impact it has on the environment. So his whole tag was, just because you reduce the price of a product doesn't mean that you're doing something justice for people, because you're hurting the environment. And from that day onwards, the Ministry of Industry and Commerce is working to make sure that the whole environmental degradation doesn't happen, because Sri Lanka is beautiful in the South Asian region because of the environment that it has. Any tourist who comes in says that, the reason why I come here is because we have the best when it comes to a square kilometer of area, the best wildlife. The flora fauna is the best in South Asia. So these are facts which are there on the net. And I'm so privileged the direction that this is taking place in terms of industry and commerce. Michael, thank you very much for coming over. It's great to have your presence today and to believing in Sri Lanka and the work that we are trying to do in Sri Lanka to make sure that we not only supply the best brands in the world when it comes to apparel. It's not only the Queen, Princess of Wales, had a sapphire that came out from Sri Lanka, which she used when she got married. It's not only the Ceylon cinnamon, which is the first brand that has gone global, which supplies 90% of the global production in the world, and it comes from little Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka is beautiful, and we thank you so much for believing in us and helping us to launch this project. And when Roshan invited me to see whether I would like to be part of this team, my thumbs up was directly there, because Roshan and I hail from small ages. We were in the same school, and I sincerely acknowledge Roshan's mom, who is here and who used to host us so many times way back 20 years in your house. Thank you so much, Auntie. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and it's great that we are here not only just about increasing industry and commerce and trade, but it's also to protect the environment and how we can give leadership to the world that we are going to take the high ground on protecting the overall environment. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being here. If I could leave one line with you, I'd like to quote from Justice Veera Mantri, who's been here. Thank you, sir. Your presence here has simply elevated the profile of this event. He wrote to Michael Sipit, and this is what he says: Michael, time is running out. Please alert the world. And that's what I want to leave with you.